A very good morning, my dear students. Today our topic is negative sentences of simple present tense. Now, look at this following examples of simple present tense. We go, they sing, the birds fly, he rides, she reads. These are affirmative sentences of simple present tense. Today we are going to learn how we can change these affirmative sentences of simple present tense into negative sentence. Before that, we will revise the rules to form an affirmative sentence in simple present tense. We know if the subject is singular in number, it takes plural verb. And how we can make the verb plural? By adding s, es or is to the main form of verb. Like this. Play has become plays, go goes, try tries. Now look at these sentences. He writes. In this sentence, the subject he is singular in number. That's why it has taken plural verb. The main form of verb is write. With write, we have added s and it has become writes. He writes. Just like that, she reads. She is again singular in number and with the main form of verb read, we have added s and it has become reads. She reads. So, singular subject takes plural verb. So, students, do remember to change the verb in its plural form, we have to add s, es or is to it. Now, let's move on to the next rule. In the sentences, if we see the subject is plural in number, those subjects take singular verb with them. And in singular verb, we don't have to add any s, es or is to it. The main form of verb is only the singular form of verb. Now look at this example. We go. Here, we is plural in number. That is why it has taken singular verb go. They sing. They is again a plural subject, so it has taken the singular verb sing. See, with the verb we haven't added any s, es or is. The main form of verb is singular form of verb. Now we will learn how to change these affirmative sentences into negative. For that, we have to keep this rule in our mind. If we see that the subject is singular in number, we will add does not before the verb to change it into negative. And if the subject is plural, we will add do not before the verb to change it into negative. Let's look at these examples. She runs. Here, the subject she is singular. That's why it will take does not in its negative form. And the negative sentence becomes she does not run. Next example. We write. In this sentence, the subject we is plural. That's why it will take do not before the verb in its negative form. Here is the negative sentence. We do not write. So, students, we will learn these rules in details with more examples. Now, look at this example. She cooks food. Here, the subject she is singular and the verb cooks is plural. So, what we have to do to change it into negative? First rule is we will change the plural verb into singular. So, from cooks, we will omit s and we will make it cook. And the rule number 2 is we will add does not just before the main verb. So look at the answer. She, then we have written does not before the main verb cook and then the object food. Thus we got the negative sentence. She does not cook food. Let's move on to the next example. He swims in the pond. Here we can see the subject is singular in number. That's why it has taken plural verb swims. So, we have to follow the same steps. The plural verb, we will change the plural verb into singular. From swims, it has become swim. And then we have to add does not just before the main verb. So, here we get the answer. He does not swim in the pond. Here is our next example. The girl is singular in number and the verb sings is plural in number. So, we will change the plural verb sings into singular sing. And then we will add does not before the main verb sing to change it into negative. Here is our answer. The girl does not sing. In our next example, we can see the subject we is plural in number That's why it has taken the singular verb run. We run fast. So how we will change this sentence into negative? We will simply add do not before the main form of verb or singular form of verb. Here is the answer. We do not run fast. Let's move on to the next slide to have our next example. They pray in the morning. In this sentence, the subject they is plural. That's why it has taken the singular verb pray. How we will change it into negative? We will simply add do not before the main form of verb or singular form of verb. Here is the answer. They do not pray in the morning. Do not is placed before the singular form of verb pray. The birds fly. The subject is plural and the verb is singular. The same rule we have to follow here. We will add do not before the singular form of verb to make it negative. The birds do not fly. Students, do remember these 2 points always, that with the subject I and you, we always use singular verb. And that is why in their negative form, we always use do not before the main verb. Now I am giving you some examples with the subject I and you. Look at the first example. I climbed the tree. You can see with I we have written the singular verb. So in negative form it will take do not before climb. I do not climb the tree. You walk slowly. The subject you has taken singular verb walk. That is why in its negative form it will take do not before the singular verb walk. You do not walk slowly. At last, a worksheet for you. You have to change these following sentences into negative. The dog barks. My father teaches. The man sells ice cream. They live in Kolkata. You clean the room every day. Now give me the answers quickly. Yes, the dog barks has become the dog does not bark. My father teaches has become my father does not teach. The man sells ice creams has become the man does not sell ice cream. They live in Kolkata has become they do not live in Kolkata. You clean the room has become you do not clean the room every day. So students, you have seen how easily we have changed this affirmative sentence of simple present tense into their negative forms by adding do not and does not. Now go through the video repeatedly to understand the topic properly. Thank you very much students. Have a nice day.